Hello friends, welcome to our home garden decoration channel where nature meets creativity to weave a tapestry of beauty right in your own backyard. Immerse yourself in a world where every leaf, every petal, and every stone becomes a piece of art, carefully curated to bring your outdoor sanctuary to life. Our videos are a sanctuary of inspiration, offering a spectrum of ideas to suit every style and preference. From rustic charm to modern elegance, we will guide you through the process of adorning your garden with thoughtfully selected decor that reflects your personality. Join us as we explore the magic of repurposed materials, craft exquisite garden ornaments, and nurture the growth of not just plants, but a space that resonates with your soul. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a cozy balcony, our tips and tricks will empower you to design a heaven that flourishes with natural splendor. Our journey does not stop at aesthetics. We are dedicated to fostering sustainable practices too. Discover eco friendly approaches, water saving techniques, and ways to attract local wildlife, turning your garden into an eco conscious heaven. So, if you are ready to embark on a voyage of color, textures, and serenity, hit that subscribe button and let's cultivate a garden that's not just pleasing to the eyes but a true reflection of your heart's desire. Let's elevate your outer space together. I hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching my video.